Right now, we're going to check another social media platform. It is LinkedIn. So aside from Upwork and OLJ PH, you can also try to check job offers or pwede pa kayong makahanap ng mga jobs online through LinkedIn. So, what is LinkedIn? By the way, LinkedIn, of course, is a social networking platform that focuses on professional networking and career development. Of course, it allows individuals to create a professional profile that highlights their work experience, education, skills, and accomplishments, and to, of course, connect with other professionals in their industry or related fields. So users can also use LinkedIn to search for job opportunities, join groups related to their interests or professions, share and access professional content, and of course, build their profession or personal brand and online presence. It becomes valuable tool for job seekers, recruiters, and businesses looking to connect with potential customers or partners. We have to go, of course, to the LinkedIn website, so linkedin.com, and click on the join now if you haven't signed up yet. And fill in your, if you click this join now button, you have to fill in your first and last name, email address, and a password of your choice. Then click the join now button again. So since I already have the account, I have to sign in. This is how it looks like. Okay. Now, next you'll be asked to enter some information about yourself, and including your job title, company, and industry. You can skip this step if you prefer, but it's recommended to fill out as much information as possible to create a complete profile. All right. So for here, once you've completed the previous step, LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your email address. Check your email for a message from LinkedIn and click on the confirmation link. And after confirming your email address, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. Okay, this homepage. Here, you can begin building your profile by adding more information about yourself, such as your education, work experience, and skills. So you can build your network on LinkedIn. You can search for and connect with other professionals in your industry or related field. So if you're looking for jobs, just click here, jobs. And if you want like virtual assistant, executive assistant, or let's say customer service representative. Okay. These are these are the job offers, and they have job descriptions here. So let's say customer service officer. All right. Let's see if it's a full-time job, and I think this one is remote job. You can also click this date posted. You can click past week for the past 24 hours, past month, experience level if it's a entry level, mid senior level, executive. Company, you can check what company, if you already have idea about what company you want to apply a job for, and job type if it's full-time, part-time, by contract, temporary, internship, or others, and if it's remote, on-site, or hybrid. Okay, so let's see. Now you have the easy apply button here, so you can just apply that after you read these descriptions. So there's a lot of qualifications. So you can just read that one, and after, if you think that this, of course, is your expertise, you can just click easy apply. Now, let's say, for example, this one, I have the information here. I just have to click next. Upload resume. I have a resume already, so I can just choose this one, download, and then click next. And is your age below 35? You just have to what we call this, answer all of these, and then click review, and then after the review button, I guess there will be submit button. So that's it, and they will email you um once it's successful, the submission was successful or is successful, they will email you right away. Okay, and let's go back. So where are you going to put your resumes? So I have it here for the job. Let's see. Okay, here at this part, application settings. So this one, you can update your resume or save uploaded resumes and answer to application questions. So upload your updated resumes. And then what else? Job alerts, of course. Once you put here, let's say virtual assistant, like that, all the virtual assistants related job applications or job offers will be shown here, and it will also be shown in your email. So let's say this one, LinkedIn job alerts. Okay, hiring now. So all of those job notifications will of course appear in your email as well. Okay, so let's say virtual assistant. Okay, let's just go back. We have here a lot. Okay, so about the job, responsibilities, experience, and skills required. And you can just click easy apply, or if they have a certain step-by-step process on how to apply, you have to read it here, because some companies wants you to apply through their email or through messaging them directly. Okay, so this is for your connections, messages here, notifications, for your profile, your settings and privacy. And you can also post here anything you want to post for that is, I think you can build your what we call this, build your LinkedIn account. You can post here. I hope this will give you an idea on how to apply jobs through LinkedIn, and this will also be a stepping stone for you to search other of course, search other important knowledge to help you with all your with your resume, and how to build your, of course, your accounts in LinkedIn. You just have to check, as there are a lot of ideas here. They post every time. A lot of companies posts new job search, so you can check whatever is in your interests. Okay, all right, thank you for watching this video.